this is 25 into 34 feet house building plan. 25 feet this side, okay, and this side 34 feet, okay, and this side 34 feet, and this side 25 feet. And this is typical house plan, and outside wall and inside wall, 5-inch outside wall and inside wall, okay. This is wall, outside wall, and 125 mm, and this is wall, outside wall, okay. This is wall, and this is wall, okay, and this is wall. This is bedroom, and inside partition wall 125 mm, yani 5-inch, okay. This is wall, this is 5-inch, okay, and complete, okay. And this is ventilation part, and this is ventilation part, okay. This is ventilation and window, and air ventilation part, and window, and this is window, and this is window and window, okay. This is wall, 125 partition wall, okay. Next, this is door, okay, and this is door, and this is door, okay. This is direction, open side, okay. And start and stair up, and entrance, okay, and living room, okay. This is living room, and distance 11 feet 3 inch, and 9 feet 6 inch. This side distance 9 feet 6 inch, okay. And living room and connecting, this is open door connecting dining and drawing, okay. Dining and drawing, connecting dining and drawing, okay. Stair, this is stair 3 feet width and 3 feet width, okay. Dining and drawing 10 feet 4 inch, this side 10 feet 4 inch, okay, and this is 12 feet, okay, and this side 7 feet 4 inch, distance 7 feet 4 inch. Dining room, hall room, this is hall room, total opening, okay. This is bedroom, and distance 13 feet and 10 feet. Attached toilet, okay, distance 5 feet and 4 feet 6 inch, okay. This is bath and lat, distance 5 feet, and this side 5 feet 1 inch, okay. And this is next bedroom, front side bedroom, okay. 12 feet 6 inch, this side distance, and 12 feet, okay. And total square feet 850 square feet, and this and kitchen, this portion kitchen, okay. This is kitchen, this is wall, kitchen, okay, and distance 10 feet, okay, and this side 5 feet 4 inch, okay. This is window, this is wall, outside wall, okay. And provide next provide column, okay. First of all 1 2 3 and 4, okay, 5 6 7 and 8, okay, 9 10 and 11, okay, 12 13 and 14 numbers column provide, okay. And this building cost, total building cost, building cost 16 lakhs, okay. And door window size, door and window size, door size and window size, okay, door and window, door 3 feet into 6 feet 6 inch bedroom door, okay, and toilet 2 feet 7 inch into 6 feet 6 inch, okay. And window size, window 5 feet into 4 feet 6 inch width and height, okay. And main window and ventilation 2 feet and 2 feet, okay, 2 feet into 2 feet ventilation. And column size 10 inch into 10 inch, okay, column size. This is 2 BHK house plan, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and kitchen, dining and drawing, okay. And this provide door. And thank you watching this video, and like and share. This is 2 BHK house plan, okay.